So my Kickr has come back. Actually, not my Kickr, a different Kickr has come back from Wahoo. It took about a week from when my Kickr left to when this one came back. It looks fine. And one thing that's nice about it, I mean, it's clearly refurbished, but one thing that's nice about it is that it looks to have come with a new Shimano 105 cassette. Occasionally they come with Sunrace cassettes, which I'm sure are fine, but they're not 105. So I was pleased to see that. The one I had a 105, so it was nice that there's parity there. So I'm going to put the microphone over on the other side by the flywheel and spin it up, and then hopefully we'll find out what it's supposed to sound like, or what a Kickr is supposed to sound like when it's, not broken. That's actually not how it's supposed to sound. It isn't supposed to make much noise. This one doesn't make the bike resonate though, so I'm actually not sure what to do about that. It's not supposed to sound like that, but it doesn't shake the bike, so it's probably not unbalanced. It's just loud. Guess I'll contact Wahoo support and see what they have to say. Because the problem here is that this is actually the third Kickr that I've had the experience with, or the pleasure of having. The first one, the original one that I bought, the power board failed, and then Wahoo sent me the one that had the unbalanced resonance issue, and now there's this one. And my concern is that my year of warranty is I don't have much time left on it. So if this one's already making the noise, there's some concern, at least on my part, that the resonance thing could come shortly thereafter, and that wasn't awesome to ride on like that. It was just weird. It just felt wrong. So I'll have to contact support and see what they have to say.